if you're going to be going on a cruise out of Port Canaveral, what they call the Orlando port, which is not really Orlando, it's actually Port Canaveral, and you're needing a place to stay a day or two before your cruise vacation, I've got a good place for you to stay that is much cheaper than actually staying in Port Canaveral, but also closer than staying in Orlando, and that is in Titusville, Florida. It's about a 20-minute Lyft or Uber ride to the port, and it will save you at least $100 or more per night from what we've seen. And it's a very nice hotel. It's been recently renovated and is the Hampton Inn in Titusville, Florida. There's great places there to eat, things to see. You're right there. You're actually closer to Kennedy Space Center by staying there in Titusville at the Hampton Inn. And like I say, it's very easy to get there from the Orlando airport. Lyft and Uber can take you straight there. The last time that we visited there, it was about a $50 trip from the airport to the Hampton Inn. And then the next day, when we went to go board Utopia of the Seas at Port Canaveral, again, it was about a 20 to 25 minute ride from Hampton Inn to the port. And the charge at that time with Lyft was $30. And so it's a real convenient place to stay. And at the time of making this video, it was actually $100 cheaper per night to stay a few minutes further away from Port Canaveral. So if you're looking for a good place to stay at a reasonable price, in a very comfortable hotel, I would highly recommend the Hampton Inn in Titusville, Florida. And I've got some video to show you as a quick review to where you can see what I'm talking about. And if you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe, comment below, and we appreciate all of you.